Are you trying to decide between Obsidian, Logseq, and Anytype? You are not alone. Many people want to know which tool is best for note taking and organizing information. In this video, we'll compare these three popular tools. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. Let's dive in. All three tools help you take notes, manage tasks, and organize your thoughts. They are great for personal knowledge management. But how do they differ? First, let's talk about Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful note taking app that uses Markdown files. It allows you to create a network of linked notes. This makes it easy to find connections between your ideas. Many users love its flexibility and customization options. Next up is Logseq. Logseq also focuses on linked notes but has a more structured approach. It uses a block based system. This means you can break down your notes into smaller pieces. It's perfect for those who like to organize their thoughts in a clear way. Logseq is great for project management and daily journaling. Now let's look at Anytype. Anytype is a newer tool that combines note taking with database features. You can create notes, tasks, and even databases all in one place. Its user friendly interface is appealing to beginners. When it comes to differences, Obsidian shines in customization. Logseq offers a unique block system, while Anytype stands out with its all in one approach. In terms of features, Obsidian has powerful plugins. Logseq has great task management tools. Anytype focuses on creating a seamless experience with its databases. As for pricing, Obsidian and Logseq have free versions but offer premium features for a fee. Anytype has a subscription model but also provides a free tier. So, which one should you choose? If you want flexibility and customization, go for Obsidian. If you prefer a structured approach, Logseq is for you. And if you want all-in-one tool, Anytype might be the best fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.